In a soft, cozy room where a warm lamp glows softly against the winter cold, there is a craft table on this table. There are simple things: colored crayons, soft pieces of felt, and rolls of jute, natural, humble, beautiful. These are the tools of handmade magic. Magic that does not come from machines but from heart, patience, and gentle hands. Today we explore three kinds of craft: crochet, jute craft, and felt craft, and the story they tell about care, peace, and simple beauty. Crochet and crochet, colors whisper. Crochet is not just embroidery, it's a pattern, it's a piece of heart, it's a creativity. Jute craft, beauty from the earth. Now we turn to jute, the craft of natural fiber. Jute is humble, not shiny, not expensive, but it carries the touch of the heart. Like tree bark, like rope, like roots. With jute we wrap bottles to make warm lanterns. We cool and twist it into baskets and stars. We tie bows that look like rustic Christmas ribbons. We create home decor that feels peaceful, natural, real. Jute craft teach us you don't need luxury to create beauty. Nature already gives us everything we need. In ancient village, jute tied families together. It wrapped food, carries grain, held tools, built homes. Even today, when we craft with jute, we remember simple things are strong, simple things last, simple things matter. Now we talk about felt craft. There is felt, warm, gentle, comforting to the touch. When you cut felt into shapes, stars, snowflakes, reindeer, tiny hearts, you are shaping memories. When you stitch the edges slowly, carefully, patiently, you are stitching love into the fabric. Felt craft is the home warmth, a child's first ornament, a handmade stocking. A tiny Santa that sat on the fireplace shelves. So viewers, hope you enjoyed these videos and designs. We are trying to bring very best designs and ideas for our viewers and subscribers. The heart of craft. So when the children take it, it is remembering who we are, because craft is not just making things, it's healing, it's grounding, it is remembering who we are. And when Christmas arrives, these handmade things becomes gifts of the heart. The crochet things, jute craft, felt craft, many things. Because handmade gifts carry something no shop can sell: your time, your patience, your heart. This is the true meaning of Xmas. Not how much we buy, but how much we love, we give. As today, as your hand moves slowly, as colors spread softly, as jute wraps warm, as felt stitches together, remember, you are not just crafting, you are creating comfort, you are creating peace, you are creating love that lives in your home and in someone else's heart. Craft is love made with visible in a warm little corner of a home where the winter wind taps softly at the windows. There is a craft table. On this table are simple things: a ball of yarn,